Stress does multiple things, both psychologically and physiologically. But how does stress actually weaken our memory? This comes back to large levels of cortisol getting released from our adrenal glands, and this gets stimulated by something called the HPA axis, or the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. It's the hypothalamus, the pituitary glands, and the adrenal glands. They all work in harmony together, and this cascade of events ends up releasing large levels of cortisol from our adrenal glands that get picked up back in the hippocampus and obviously flooding our entire system. But the hippocampus relays this information back to the hypothalamus to check in and say, is there still stress? Is there still danger? If it's psychological stress, then this cascade of events can stay upregulated. And what we start to do is weaken the hippocampus through large levels of cortisol and strengthen or upregulate the stimulus around the amygdala. So we've got a brain that is now sort of in hyperdrive and cannot downregulate as effectively, because the one thing that downregulates that is the hippocampus, and it's dysregulated, and the thing that is keeping that active is overstimulated, being the amygdala. And this can start to lead to memory things, because the hippocampus, not only regulation for the HPA axis, but also memory, retention and retrieval of information. Not so much long-term, but short-term memory, working memory, spatial memory, these sort of aspects of memory can be impacted because of what's going on in the hippocampus. So, can this be regulated, or can this be positively impacted? How do we reverse it and slow it down? Simple techniques, things like meditation, things like mindfulness, things like breath work. We talk about the 4 to restore technique, which is a type of meditation, but it's involving breath work and cyclic breathing and things, which you'll find more on this page anyway. It's called the 4 to restore. I can do another video on it if you guys want, but there are simple ways, and this will start to downregulate the amygdala and then strengthen the hippocampus area again over a period of time, and then memory starts to come back, and focus and attention and all these sort of things that get impacted through stress start to come back online, and we can start to think more clearly. Good luck. If you've got any questions, please comment below and I'll jump on and do another video. Thanks.